How to fix error OL-222 in QuickBooks. 3 quick solutions. Solution 1. Update QuickBooks to the latest release. Step 1. Open QuickBooks Desktop and go to Help. Step 2. Then select Update QuickBooks Desktop. Step 3. In the Overview tab, click on Update Now. Step 4. If you wish to turn on automatic updates, go to Options and select the Automatic Update option. Step 5. When you're ready, go to Update Now, select the Reset Update checkbox and click on Get Updates. Step 6. QuickBooks will start downloading the updates. Step 7. Once the download is complete, QuickBooks will ask you to restart. Click OK on the pop-up. Solution 2. Create a backup copy of your company file. Step 1. Open QuickBooks, go to File and ensure that you're in single user mode. Step 2. Next, select Backup Company and then create Local Backup. Step 3. In the Create Backup window, select Local Backup and click Next. Step 4. In the Local Backup Only section, click on Browse and select where you want to save the file. Step 5. In the Online and Local Backup section, select Complete Verification. Step 6. When you're ready, press OK. Step 7. You may get a prompt regarding the location. Select Use this location here. Step 8. Next, select Save it now and click Next. Step 9. Rename the file if you wish to, then click on Save and it'll start backing up. Step 10. Once done, click OK on the pop-up window. Solution 3. Format.QBO file. Step 1. First, navigate to the location where .QBO file is saved. Step 2. Right-click on the .QBO file and select Edit. Step 3. Remove any invalid character, such as an amp, and save the file. Step 4. Once done, try to import the transaction again. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mwjconsultancy.com or call us at +1 87746902988 +44 800 0548 150.